Hi everyone, in this video, I will explain to you a guide to using Survey Sparrow tutorial for beginners. First is, create an account by visiting surveysparrow.com. Sign up for a free or paid plan. Next is, create your first survey. After signing in, click Create Survey to start a new project. Second, designing surveys. Add a questions. Choose from a variety of question types, such as a multiple choice, rating scale, open-ended, etc. Customize design. Personalize the survey's look by selecting themes, adding logos, and modifying colors. Distributing surveys. Survey links. Generate a link to share this survey with respondents via email or social media. Embeds. Embed surveys directly into websites or landing pages. Automated invitation. Set up automated survey invitation for specific segments of your audience. 4. Analyzing responses. Real-time analytics. Access live data as respondents submit their answer. Data export. Download survey results in formats like CSV, PDF, or Excel. Now advanced reports. Use built-in analytics tools to analyze trends and insights. Here are some best practices that you want to do. Keep surveys short. Keep surveys concise to increase completion rates. Second, use conditional logic. Add conditional logic to create dynamic surveys that adapt to answers. A/B testing. Experiment with different survey versions to see which performs best. And that's basically it.